Jeff at Total Value RV with another pre-owned gem. This just came in on trade. It is a 2014 Forest River Forester 2861 DS Class C on a Ford chassis. It is stock number 0496. TotalValueRV.com. Let's just have a look at it. Looks like you got a fiberglass front cap with inset marker lights. Of course, you got your Ford chassis here on the E450 chassis. Got running boards. You do have a side mounted camera in your mirror. Electric patio awning. It's a full body paint unit. And it does come with an outside kitchen with an outside TV installed in it. You got an Advent refrigerator, Jensen TV, and a sink. Do have a metallic bumper, rear ladder, backup camera up there. And this, look at this large window in the back. That will let out a lot of natural light in. 2 slides with slide toppers. Looking inside, we have a dinette here that folds down to a table. We have a dinette here that folds down to a bed. Some cabinetry. Got a TV on a swing arm. Got some storage up here in the bunk area. Your backup camera there. This is your backup camera. That's your radio. I have a sofa bed here, some cabinetry above it, in your kitchen area, microwave, oven, cooktop, sink, RV refrigerator, which is gas or electric, with the nice wood insets, and this nice wood inserts. Coming back, you do have a little step here. Nature of the beast with Class C's. You have your shower with a skylight. You do have one AC, which is ducted throughout. See, the door attaches with a magnet, so you have a little room for whoever's using the shower facilities. There's a piano hinge here, so you can't see through it. You got privacy. Foot flush. Looks like here's your bed with all this natural light coming in. You do have a vent here and a small TV in the bedroom, closet space. Here's the mileage, 26,139. So again, the 2014 Forest River Forester 2861 DS. Stock number 0496 at TotalValueRV.com. Price has not yet been determined on this, so give us a call at 574-262-4460. Thanks for watching.